Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today is Saturday. Nice day. Nice day for an oil change on my wife's 2015 Ford Escape 2.5 liter engine. I got the oil plug out, the dipstick is out, her oil filter is down there, but obviously you have to go jack up the car. So yeah, let's give this thing an oil change. All right, got a 15 millimeter. Let's see. Alrighty. Down there. Yeah, she was on there a little tight, but hey, at least it wasn't leaking. Can you see that? All right, got the oil out, or coming out. Let's let it wait, and then we'll take the filter off that's right there. All right, let's work on getting that oil filter off. So it's got to go this way. This, I'm going to date myself. I think I customized, I cut the handle off. I customized this for my 1979 Pontiac Cutlass, not Cutlass, Pontiac Grand Prix. That's how I'm going to date myself. Well, anybody that's watched the channel, you know that I'm no youngster. All right. Got the filter on. Okay, got the drain plug in. Right there, oil filter's all on. Time to add some oil. My wife's car had a cover thing too, one of those plastic jobbers, and it ended up breaking off. So, I mean, I know it's nice and everything, but I think they're a pain in the you-know-what. So, all right, let's add some oil. Let's add some oil. No, this isn't my beer bong. I bought this funnel one time to add brake fluid into our van. All right, running really nice. It's got 142,000 miles on it. All right, we'll check the dipstick and call it a day. So that's where it is right there. All right, another job well done. Easy peasy. Saves you a lot of money in what, maybe a half hour. So, all right, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification button, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.